Hey Glam fam, what's up guys? How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to the channel. Today's look is super amazing because it has my favorite color, turquoise. So we have a little bit of turquoise, baby blue, some baby poop green. Ew, gross. I know. We also have some purple, some dark blue, and some black. We have a little bit of highlight in our eyes, our brows, our nose, our cheeks. We also have some glitter on our cheeks and our lips. So yeah, I think this look came out very well for an experiment. I went out on a limb and I rocked it. So if you guys want to check out how I did this look, make sure you keep watching this video. But if you haven't already, go ahead and support the channel by liking and subscribing, hitting that little bell. That way you get all my notifications whenever I drop new content. So let's go ahead and get started, and I hope you guys really like this look. Perfect. What's up fam? We're gonna go ahead and get started with the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place, and we're going for that turquoise. We're just gonna go ahead and pack on that turquoise color. That way we get a nice heavily saturated base before we move on to our next color. The technique that I'm using to pack on my color is just like a tap 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 pat 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 type motion. Now that we have our turquoise on, we're going to switch to our Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and we're going to go for that bright baby blue. And this color is basically going to go underneath the turquoise. It's going to go right in our crease area. So that way you should be able to see two different blues there. Here, we're not really blending at this moment. We're kind of just, packing it on. That way you can distinctly see the difference between the two colors. So now that we have both of our blue pigments on, we're going to go ahead and start cutting our crease. This is a white concealer by Conceal. And you're just going to apply most of that pigment to the bottom half of your eyelid. And then you're going to look up. And then you're going to use that line to cut your crease. So now that we have both of our crease cut, that sounds weird, we're going to go back into our Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and we're going to go for this nice bright baby poop green. Yes, you heard it right, baby poop green, because that's exactly what it looks like. Newborn baby poop. It's so gross, but it's a beautiful color on our eyes. We're only going to add this color to the inside corners, not to go too far over the middle. So now that we have our green on, we're switching back to the Zulu palette, and we're going to go for that deep purple. And right away, when we start adding that purple, we're immediately going to start blending as well. So we're going to try to transition between the baby poop green into that nice purple. We're just patting on, making sure that we don't go too far above the crease so we don't mix that purple with that nice baby blue. So now that we have our purple, we're going back to the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and this time we're going for that nice dark blue. Now we're working on the outside corners of our transitional build, and we're basically trying to transition from the dark purple into that dark blue. So right away, you're going to go ahead and start trying to
blend out those colors. And the best way to do that is kind of add a little bit of blue, then a little bit of purple, and a little bit of blue again. That way everything looks nice and seamless. It's like a gradual blend. Now that we have our dark blue, we're actually going to start adding our black pigment, and you don't need a lot of this one because it's super powerful. So basically what I'm doing here is I'm fading out that dark blue, and I'm basically starting my wing without eyeliner. So that way my eye has a full like curved shape before I start adding my eyeliner. So I'm pretty satisfied with the way my build looks so far. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do my lashes, do my liner, go ahead and finish my face, and then I will back with you guys in just a moment. Snap, crackle, pop, and we're back. Check out that look. Freaking amazing. It looks super cute. I didn't think the baby poop green would go, but it actually looks really good. So now basically what we're doing now is our highlight, and I took my Kiss Professionals shimmer palette. I added a little bit to my tear ducts, added a little bit to my brow bone, and then I also added some to the point of my nose. Now we're gonna go ahead and start adding color to our under eye, and we're using the baby poop green again. Looking back, I don't think it was that good of a choice. I probably would have done something different, but I was trying to, you know, really incorporate that baby poop green, so that's what we did. In some cases I thought it was a little bit too strong, so I went over with my foundation brush just to tone it down a little bit so it didn't look weird. But yeah. Now we're going in with our black pencil liner, and we're just going to add this to our waterline. You guys know me, I love my inner feline wing, so that's what I'm going to go ahead and add right now. Now that our face is done, we're going to go ahead and start with our lip. We're going to go ahead and start with a clear lip gloss because we're going to add a little bit of glitter and we need a sticky base. So to bring around the blue full circle, I went ahead with some blue glitter, and I'm just going to apply that to the bottom half of my lip just to add, you know, a little bit of pop-in highlight, you know? Here I'm just using some of my setting spray just so I can get like a matte finish, and then I went ahead and added some of that glitter to where my highlight usually goes, just again so I can bring that blue full circle. So this is a finished look. Ladies, go ahead and let me know what you think about this look. Do you like it? Would you wear it? Do you guys think the turquoise and the baby poop green went good together? Let me know. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.